Welcome to Beginnerology. Today I will show you a dissection of general viscera of a rat. So dissection was very common once upon a time in many places. So in school, colleges and universities we used to do a lot of dissection, but now students don't even see the inside part of a body until they study MBBS. So I thought, why not I do a dissection right here and show you. So this is the skin with hair, and below there are dermis or fat body. This has a teeth, it seems it's a female rat. I don't know it's pregnant or not, most probably not, because then teeth would have been bigger. This is diaphragm, this is the small intestine, and this is liver lobe, and I am cutting the rib cage now. Can you see the heart? This is heart. This is ventricle, and these two are atrium, auricle. This is lung. Here we kept some water where I will show you what happens when we cut a little piece of lung. So can you see the blood coming, blood oozing from lung? So lung is highly vascularized. This is lung, which floats in water. And this is pink in color because actually it's white in color. Pink because lots of blood is there and it's floating in water. So this is heart, this is vena cava coming to the... Then ventricle we can see only one. And this is transparent thing is pericardium, the layer on top of heart. I am just tearing it. Here you can see heart much better now. There are heart coronary arteries going to the heart muscle from aorta, so that it gives food to the heart muscle. This you can see trachea with C-shaped ring-like cartilage here. So again, this is heart, right atrium, left atrium and ventricle. Right is my left side, but rat's right side. Left atrium is this, and ventricle has two chambers which we will not be able to see right now. And here is the lung tissue with blood coming out. This is liver. This is the diaphragm, which I already cut through. This is stomach. Must have eaten something. Stomach ends with pancreas here. This is small intestine with ciliaco-mesenteric arteries. These are arteries which is taking, these are blood vessels which is taking food, absorbing food from small intestine into the body. Going further, our intestine is 5 times our height more or less. So if the rat's height is 1 feet, less than 1 feet, then their intestine will also be into 5, means 5 feet long intestine. We will see to that. These are small intestine. I am now opening it. You can see ciliaco-mesenteric arteries, the blood vessels which is taking food from the small intestine absorbing digested substance. Let's not call it food because it's no longer food. So digested material like glucose, amino acid, etc. is absorbed into the blood. So I am cutting the mesenteric arteries so that I can take out the small intestine properly. We can see it has fed a lot. So all these black things are food or bolus which was going through the intestine. So digestive system has 5 parts. Ingestion, when food is taken in the buccal cavity. Then digestion, when food start digesting directly from the buccal cavity, then the stomach, then small intestine, duodenum, then ileum, small intestine, then it is start absorbing in the small intestine. At least I can see surely 2 feet. So most probably from here the cecum is there, which in our case is appendix, and this is large intestine. Large and small intestine here diameter is not too different. So these are the liver lobes, and you can see 2 chocolate colored kidney. Can you see esophagus? These are lung lobes, that is also both side. Below that the esophagus has gone. So esophagus is all the way from mouth below these things. I will try to track the esophagus from mouth. You can see the esophagus is going inside the buccal cavity or mouth, we commonly call. So I am using this as a probe. Membranous esophagus. So this is esophagus, very thin, which is coming from mouth to stomach. Here we can see about 6 inch long, about 15 centimeter. Then stomach, which has 2 sides, one towards heart we call cardiac side. This is cardiac side, and the other side is towards duodenum, we call pyloric side. And here attached with this is pancreas. Yes, this brown colored thing I think is pancreas. Another probe I have put through the anus. So this is the anus, the end part of digestive system, through the rectum. And as this is a female one, there is another hole known as vagina. This vagina is going to uterus. So the vagina is passing to, can you see? These 2 are uterus. Uterus ends in fallopian tube. This is also ureter. Okay. This is going to kidney. This is digestive system ends. I'm putting the probe here. Can you see the probe? This is anus going through the rectum, and these 2 are uterus. This is a heart. I am cutting longitudinally with the help of a blade. You see blood has been clotted here. You can see ventricle has 2 chambers with lots of blood, clotted blood here. This is right ventricle, this is left ventricle. The left ventricle is a little thicker than right because they want to push blood all the way to the body through aorta, whereas right ventricle only have to push blood up to lung. So it's less muscular. So this is all for general viscera. I hope this dead rat dissection have given you some knowledge. If you dissect, please use safe disposal. Best way is to bury inside the soil. You can also preserve it in 4% formalin. Use gloves. Be careful about diseases. Lot of zoonotic disease can happen as COVID came from animals to man. So be very careful about it. After dissection, wash hands with germicidal soap. Also use the same thing to clean the instruments. I hope this dissection has given you some value, and this we will carry on doing, showing some other dissection like eye, brain, etc. Please join, share and subscribe. Thank you.